Hello guys, good day. This is another conversion kit for G-Wagon with the big lights, which is more closer to one-to-one look. It's also have the new mirrors. It's already with correct shape grille. You can see those blades are slightly bent. That shape, the shape over here. The headlights are big. This is the control unit. Okay, and you can see the reflectors. Reflectors are here. Plate holder is also available. The turn signals, they are also correct shape. They are big ones with the curve shape. Tail lights, another headlight, fender flares, and this is what I want to show you. Of course, the heat shield also included. And also look at the fenders, guys. All right, guys, see the fenders are also has a curve shape from here, from the top. So this is will give you exact idea, yeah. But in these fenders there are vents inside, so you can still use your genuine setup, your original air intake. All right, guys. So the door moldings on the front is also here included, and the other molding inserts. It's coming in the plastic sets. I think of 10 pieces inside. All right. This is another fender and another intake filter for the filter. All right, this is also splash guards, inner fender liners. All right, some metal bracket supports, some screws, headlamp covers. This again, this is the bigger side headlights, bigger size. There are small headlights. These are the big type. All right, this is coming unpainted, and that's what's better compared to the chrome. Definitely better because you can paint it any color, hassle-free. And there is a metal bracket behind here, holder bracket. All right, rear bumper lamps you have to transfer from the original. All right, that's the kit. That's the kit. This is the headlights again. Grille, dummy camera cover. It's also included. That's the kit, guys. That's the fender.